2 egg, 30-gram butter, 4 pieces sausage, 1 big bread, 1 tomatoes, little bit iceberg salad. It's good if they stay before little bit cold water. So if you want a more crispy. 1 cucumber and 1 avocado. Put in the butter on the plate. Now we can start with sausage. And same time we can start to mix egg. Now we can put egg. And of course, cheese also. Without cheese, it's not good. And we can put bread on the and wait until ready. We can put and lock on the and wait. Now is ready. Look at this, so yummy. We can put iceberg salad, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, spicy chili if you want a hot, mayonnaise, salt. So delicious. Now we can close this one. Enjoy!